I want to kick them, Hercules. Like this, I will check. I will check in my Dami account. If I have, some, like this, I have, I have Dami again. I will kick out. Oh, si ID na ito si 959. 743. Yan. Hala! Kisat sa tiyan, siguro akong nakik ba? Wait lang. Wait lang. I will, answer. Kaya nga. Chat ko lang yun si Ate Chen. See? And it's okay because lang, it's a kick, not kick to block. They can enter my life again because it's a kick. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Nangatag siya Wow. Merry Christmas. Salamat, cute. Ganda naman. Ganda pala na ito, no? Kapag yan ang binigay na, na gift. Yung tao dito. Welcome back. Thank you. But it's okay, Hercules. I can kick what I want. Who I want to kick. Because this is my life. Like this. Oh. You see? The dummy entering my life, it's gone. Because I said, I will kick them. Ayoko na yung mga ID number. Yung ganun. See? They are scared. Another dummy. Leo, hi Leo. Hi Yael. Kalbu. Ba't ka natatawa, Hercules? Hi, Selra. Nangatag di si Selra. Wait lang ha. Kalimutan. Maria, ilang taon na yung anak mo? Wala mo anak. 8 tsaka 6. Hi, Day. Ako pinaskuhan ko na. Amo naman si JV to. Ay, katulgol. Mahal kay ko Itulog ba ng babae? Oh, I have dami na naman. Kasi maning pogi diri. Kinsa man ka, Yarn Ching, kaya kung di ka magpailay,